Hello everyone, Bret, plush participants here, and I'm going to be doing a different type of video today. I'm going to be unboxing something, and this is going to be this. It's a Car 3 taco figure, right? Yep. It's ages 3 and up. It's by Maytool, okay? This is not sponsored. These are something you could get on. There's Fabulous Lightning McQueen, that's Anico Cruz. I don't even know car. Hutch, Doc Hudson, and Lizzie. Yep, it's just this open. I'm gonna use my own body. How do kids open stuff these days? I did it with my feet. Yep. Don't need you. Yeah, no one wants to see garbage. Yeah, I don't want. Yep, look at this car. Only you. Look at this car. Take him out. This is Taco. So it's in Car 3. I'm not going to talk about her that much. He's in like a race, kind of a dirt race. I can't spoil it too much. I already seen the movie. And I'm just going to say that. How can we see if this actually drives? Why don't I just keep it in here? No, leave. Yep. Taco for now. Where are we? Let's see if Taco drives. Let's see. Pretty much drives. Oh, and I'm also gonna do something. See, I got red right here, and look at how long I've been collecting. I don't have any Lightning McQueens here, cause oh my gosh. Look at this. I have so much. Look at all of these. Let's put this down real quick. Look at the bottom. Well, you can't really see it, but I have like Lightning McQueens. I have this. I love this thing. If I do have this thing, okay? I have him. Look at how much I've been collecting. I don't think I could even fit this. Why? Because these aren't really cars. This. Go somewhere else. Go and Foxy's code. Really? Let's drop the camera. See, look at this. Yep, that's Taco. It works. I'll give it a heck of a good rating. Yep. So let's put this in here. Yep. See ya in the next video.